Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are installing Windows 10 on my main computer. So let's do it. So the first thing I have is an extra partition in which we will install Windows 10 and then copy all the data over into here. I don't think I have enough storage, but it's okay. Now, so let's do it. Okay guys, it has finally booted after 500 million years. And if you thought I was going to install normal Windows 10, you'd be wrong. Because today I am installing Ghost Spectre Windows 10. So let's do it. So apparently it has an interface. I mean it still uses the old arrow, but okay. Not arrow, the basic Windows 10. Okay, so we have command prompt, we have everything that everyone needs. I don't think they included CPU-Z with this one, but they did include Notepad. And you can write your, I don't know. Okay, so now let's install Windows. Setup is starting. Still does not work. Why? The brightness does literally nothing. Thank you so much. Look at this cool animation there. That is amazing. This looks like okay. Let's see. Number one. Now it should work. I hope it restarts or something. If it doesn't, I don't know. Where do you like change the taskbar or something? And we have the original start menu. I just want to see. Yes. Look at how. Okay. So now it works, but again, I don't know what's going on. Okay, now let's see if we can. No, we cannot do it. Okay, let me just put it as nice because when will it load? Okay, wait a minute. Now it should look a little bit better. I don't know. Yeah, this looks amazing. I do like it. It's already activated. Whoa. I don't like big icons. I like small. Okay. So yeah, this looks pretty cool, I guess. You can even make it Windows, I don't know, 7 style and plain 8. Make it look like Windows 8. Okay, so this isn't really a start all back video. Let's see if you can update this. Hopefully not. 2076. I knew it. Windows isn't activated. Good. Okay, now let's change some settings, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot it's not activated. So let me just connect it to the Wi-Fi and I'll probably be back in 1 hour. I'm just joking. So yeah guys, now it is connected. So now all we have to do is transfer the data, and then I hope activating it. It even has, oh my god, bro. It even has CPU Z built in, as you can see. You have memory, and I don't know what that means. Graphics, yeah. Benchmarking, and that's pretty much it. Now we also have this ghost, not ghost, ghost toolbox thing. So this will pretty much let us do anything we want with the system. Wait a minute. Oh, I completely forgot about this. There we go. Should work. Okay. Options for Windows 11. Did they just copy the Windows 11 version? I mean, no surprise. Why do you have an online? Just why? Okay, let's see if options for Windows 11 work. I'm definitely very dumb for doing this. Okay, I'm not trying this. I'm not dumb. So now we have to install all the drivers, which is not a big thing. I can do it, but let's see if we can do it in under a minute. Bro, how much is this using again? 8 gigabytes. Seriously? How will you even compress this? It's already so tiny. Okay. Now, where in the world is my drivers folder? Why does this scroll wheel not work properly? Should be upwards. There we go. Now, where in the world is that graphic? I don't know. Okay, now we're probably done, and I'm not installing the management interface because I'm too lazy and it sometimes messes with everything I do. So I'm not doing it. Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, that should do the trick. Now, yeah, this is really snappy. Now finally the mouse works. Optional features. Oh yeah, I forgot this. This is the thing. Okay, now it's time to download the data. I'm just joking. It's time to copy over the data from one disk to another. Shouldn't take a long time, I guess. Let's do it. We're done. Why did I just put icons? $84 gigabytes. I think I can fit this here. Bro, I'm so stupid. So now guys, it is done and I can finally say that I installed it. So where in the world is it? Focus. So yeah guys, that's it for this video and I'll catch you next time. Peace.